this is a new farm. We are going to use the IMO system. IMO system is a new method of pig farming. We are going to use the IMO system, so we are not going to use the concrete. We are not going to use the concrete down. We are going to use this IMO system. It's just an organic method. And this is our new shelter. So guys, when you're starting pig farming, you need to have a very good shelter. Hope you can see, guys. You can see the floor. We are not going to use the what? We are not going to use concrete. We are not going to use to cement. So as you're starting pig, but before I proceed with this video, friends, kindly subscribe to this channel. You're going to be receiving more of this. You're going to be receiving more of pig farming, more of farming, rearing chicken, goats, whatever, anything concerning farming. You're going to be receiving each and everything on this very channel. So guys, kindly subscribe so that you don't miss out anything. So as I was telling you, with this system, we are going to use the IMO system. We are not going to cement this farm. As you can see, we are going to spray, and the pigs will be staying happily here. They'll be staying happily here. Hope you get. Those are the trashes. As you can see, the pigs will be feeding from the trash. As you can see, one is there. This is a new farm for the VS farm. So guys, as you're starting pig farming, you need to be having the following. First, the shelter where the pigs are going to stay, because these pigs need a very good shelter. Not putting them outside where they can even be attacked by the wild animals, even the bad weather, which can cause diseases to them. So pigs need to be having a very good shelter. Another thing, you need to have the food, because if you don't have the food, what will you feed the animals? You need to be having the food, the broken maize bran, the sweet potato leaves. You can also feed them to these animals. Also feed them to these animals. But even those people nearing these restaurants, you can even get the wastes, the leftover food. It can also be fed to these animals, the pigs. So guys, kindly subscribe to this channel. You'll be getting more of this, the farming methods, anything concerning rearing animals. We shall talk about the cows, all the cattle, the goats, pig farming, but most importantly the pig farming. Shall be talking about more of it, because we have more of them at the VS farms. Yeah. So guys, kindly subscribe. As I've shown you, this farm will be of IMO. We are not going to cement. We are not going to use the concrete. No. We are going to use IMO. We are going to spray.